This November, join Ocean Earth Travels for more than just diving. It's a journey into reefs, ritual, and restoration. So, are you ready to dive, restore, and explore? Your journey begins in Amed, a string of traditional fishing villages along Bali's eastern coast. Here, where Mount Agung stands sentinel in the distance, local life follows the rhythms of the sea. Shore diving offers immediate access to sloping reefs where vibrant corals thrive on volcanic substrate. A short drive brings you to the legendary USAT Liberty wreck in Tulamben. This World War II vessel now serves as an artificial reef, home to thousands of marine species. But here's where things get really cool. Become an ocean gardener. Over 3 days, you will get your hands dirty with coral farming alongside local marine experts. We are talking real coral propagation, building reef structures, and working in actual coral nurseries. You will master coral identification, learn the difference between hard and soft corals, discover how these tiny polyps create entire ecosystems, and dive deep into coral reproduction science. This isn't just theory. You will be actively restoring reefs while earning your certification. 5 dives of pure conservation action. And because the best adventures happen with amazing people, you will connect with Amed's youth-led Blue School, where local leaders are driving real change. Think about beach cleanups, community projects, and finishing with an epic beachside celebration. Fresh seafood, live music, new friends. This is how conservation should feel. Are you ready for a cultural reset? We are trading dive gear for temple visits, heading inland to discover the real Bali. Ancient rice terraces, traditional ceremonies, artisan markets, and jungle waterfalls. It's the perfect break between dive sessions to soak up those legendary Balinese vibes. Then, we're off to Nusa Penida for the diving day trip of your dreams. Giant manta rays gliding overhead, dramatic cliff walls dropping into the blue, and coral gardens that will blow your mind. Keep your eyes peeled for the elusive mola mola. This massive sunfish are the ultimate underwater prize. We wrap up in Uluwatu with clifftop sunsets, a visit to a turtle conservation center, and one final group dinner by the sea. Because this isn't just a trip, it's a chance to connect with the ocean, give back to Bali's reefs, and be part of something that actually matters. November 11th to 22nd, 2025. 12 days that will change how you see diving forever. Only 12 spots available, and trust us, you will want to be part of this incredible group. Join Ocean Earth Travels for an adventure that actually matters.